Hello. Let's solve CAT 2024 slot 1 quantitative ability questions. Okay. So there are 22 questions. Let's see one by one. Okay. Now, sum of all 4-digit numbers that can be formed with the distinct non-zero digits A, B, C, D, with each digit appearing exactly once in every number is 153,310 plus n, where n is a single digit number. Then the value of A plus B plus C plus D plus n is. Okay. Now you see, we are adding all sum of all 4-digit numbers formed by A, B, C, D, right. Okay. So you all these numbers A, B, C, D form, right. In every number of this form A, B, C, D, now you see A will appear to 1000 place how many times? So you see 1000 place, if you fix A, the other 3 digits can be arranged in factorial 3. So factorial 3, that is 6 times, right. So A will appear to the 1000 place 6 times, that will be A into 1000. If I add all the number, A into 1000 will come 6 times, right. Okay. Or it will 6A into 1000, right. Okay. Similarly, in the all the number in the 100 place, similarly A will come to the 100 place again factorial 3, that is 6 times. So A will into so A into 100 will come 6 times, right. Okay. So if you take 6 common, right, 6 common, okay, that will be, it will come 100 times, right. Okay. Again similarly the tens place A will come again 6 times factorial 3. So if you take 6A, 6A will come 10 times, 10 times, right. Again the unit place A will come again 6 times, right. So 6A will come 1 time. So if you add all these, okay, it will be 6A into 1000 plus 100 plus 10 into 1. So 4 times, right. Okay. So it will be like, like A into 4 times, right. Same thing will happen with the B, right, and C and D. So if you add all the numbers, we will get 666 times A, sum of all the numbers, 6666 times A plus 666 times B plus 6666 times C and 6666 times D, right. So it will be 6666 times A plus B plus C plus D. This will be the sum of all the numbers, right, and this is given as, this is equal to is given as 153 153310 plus n, right, where n is a single digit natural number, right. Now let us try to find what multiple of 66 will be 153310 plus a single digit number, right. So let us divide 153310 by 6666. Now let us see here, it will go 2 times, okay. So 2 times, so is 2 ja 6 2 ja 12, carry 1, 6 2 ja 12 and 13, carry 1, 12 and 13, 3 carry 1, and 6 12 again 13, right. So let us subtract. So 11 minus 2 will be 9, okay. Here is 12, again 9, okay. Now it is 9 is 12 minus 3 9, it will be 2. So 12 minus 3 is again 9, it is 4 1, and this will be 0, right, okay. Now it will go around, let us say 3 times. So now 3, 3 6 18, carry 1, 18 and 19, carry 1, 18 and 19 again carry 1, 19. Now you see, this is not going 23 times. To go 23 times we need this much, right, that means remainder is minus 8, right. That means it will not go 23 times. To go 23 times you have to add 8 here, right. So this we have to add 8 here, then it will go 23 times, right. Means this number we have to increase by 8 plus 8, it will go 23 times, okay. So this 153310 plus 8 is a single digit natural number, if you add 8 here, okay, this number will be completely divisible by 666 4 times, 6 4 times, it will go 23 times, right. So, this will be this into 23, it will be like this, right. Okay. Now, you see, so this is a single digit number, right. Okay. So, n is 8 and this is 23, right. We want the value of a plus b plus c plus d plus n. So, it will be 23 is this and plus 8, the answer will be 31, right. So, 31 is the answer for this. I hope this is clear.